Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Click profile icon. Click manage account. Click general. Click dark. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.